Hey, hello everyone. First off, I'd like to get started by saying hello to Beth. Hi Beth. Okay. And okay, here's the front end. This was an absolute chore, I'm telling you, because it was so rusty, so corroded. Everything was just a mess. So here we are. Bearings are dry. Front end is crusty, rusty. So we're going to bring her back to life. These things are no good. The bearings are bad in these things, and I can't really tell that much. They're beat up. Yep, they're beat up. Yep. So this is the situation now. I don't really know. I'm going to probably take a break on disassembly for a little bit. I got to get the swing arm off of it, but I'm going to wait just a little while. I'm going to start cleaning parts up and getting everything ready to go back together. I'll probably get in the cam chest sooner or later. Reseal the covers. I cleaned everything up today, degreased it. I polished up the transmission cover. I'm gonna start polishing this stuff up, getting it all cleaned up. I'm gonna have to get, this is the spring that goes in the handlebar, in the risers for the ground. I'm gonna have to get all the springs. I'm probably gonna get the lowers. That is to say, yeah. Yeah, they're just wore out, man. Okay. Oh, that's all I have for this evening. It is 2:30 here, almost 2:15. We're gonna take a break from this and start cleaning and getting ready to go back together. At least some of it anyway. Hey, cheers everybody. I appreciate you so much. Thanks for sticking with me. Thank you for all your viewers and subscribers. I appreciate you so much. Colin, thank you so much for the project. I appreciate that. Please like and subscribe, everybody. Let's have some fun with this. All right, cheers. Good morning, everyone. A little foggy day here in the panhandle of Florida. Okay, so we're on a fact-finding mission. This is what this is. Bought the bike used from Colin, no big deal there. But we're going through this thing, top to bottom, fore to aft, stem to stern, because we want to know what we're going to be rolling down the road on. And we want to get it right. So here we go. We have a 2006 Springer Softail, and it's got the old style tensioner on it. So that has to be fixed. I got lucky, it's not broken, but it's showing, I've looked at it, it's showing some significant wear. So I'm lucky, not broken. We're gonna fix that. So that's cool. I got the, well, let's go to the other side, I'll show you. I got both primaries off. We're gonna do a stator. Now that I'm here, I might as well do it. Okay, one quick, let's walk over here real quick. Sorry about that. This is the old style compensator. This thing was hand tight. I had no force whatsoever to take that nut off. I bet you there was like 20, 25 pounds of foot-pounds on that. It was hand tight. Unbelievable. So, compensators toast. The inner race is walked up on the shaft. No news there. Everybody knows that happens. I'm going to replace that race and bearing. We're going to replace. So here's the bearing. That's going to get replaced. There's a seal in there for the starter shaft. We're going to do that. And there's a seal in the back. We're going to do that. As you can tell, it's been leaking. So we're going to do all the seals in here. Yeah. I'm so glad I'm going through this thing, man, because, you know, I don't want to be going down the road and have, you know, catastrophic failure, you know, unexpectedly, whatever. So this is how you do it. Bought a used bike, got to make it right. No fault of anybody. It's just what it is. It is what it is. So we're in good shape today. That's about as far as I can really go. Oh, it needs a relay too. I haven't decided if I'm going to spring for cams or not, or just leave it alone. I'm not a hot rod guy anymore, so I don't know. I don't really care. I do need an upgrade in the cam chest, so we will do that. I mean, I'm not going to leave that alone. Spend a few bucks on that. Top end's coming off anyway. Easy day. Bada bing, bada boom. Get her all done. In a couple days, I'm going to make a list. Oh. I shined that wheel up, looking like a diamond in a goat's ass now. That thing is sweet. It was nasty. Brought the front end back to life. Those things were nasty. It's got dew on it right now, but they're awesome. They're cleaned. No issues there. And here's a table full of parts. Most of it's going to be trash, but some of it's going to be good. I'm going to reuse a lot of it. There's the pipes. We're going to use those again. I'm not trying to go overboard here. I'm just trying to make it right, make it safe. And if I'm going to put my lady on the back of this thing, I want it to be good to go. Hey, listen, guys. Man, I appreciate you so much. Don't forget to hit that like thing and that bell thing, and, you know, do all that for me. You know, it makes it good for us. We keep this going. We have fun with it. You know. Anyway, this is the progress right now. It might be a little slow getting this thing back together because I got to take my time with it. But little by little, she's going to be starting to rock and roll here. Hey guys, thank you so much. Appreciate you so much. Thank you, Beth. See you later.